everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I want to start off with saying thank you to Deb Huck for checking on me. I've had an illness in the family, we're fine now, and hanging in there, but life, circumstances happen sometime. But I'm here now, and I'm a day late with my collab video, but I wanted to still participate for sure. And then I'm also gonna watch all the other lovely things that everyone else has made for the month of February. So in this collaboration, we are supposed to use the color of green. And so I have these pretty agate beads. Pretty sure these came from Hobby Lobby. That looks like their tag. And I think it's been a while since I bought those. I have not had a chance to use them, so I'm so glad I get to use them. I love these colors, that dark green and then the different greens and like even beiges that match, that look really nice with that. So I'm gonna make a bracelet with these beads, with this gold toned member wire, and using gold tones was another part of the challenge. And I'm gonna put these gold beads on either end of the bracelet. I'm going to use jump rings if necessary. I have to see when I end the project how I'm going to clasp everything up. I might need these jump rings, and I think when I'm all done I'm going to use a lobster clasp. And the last thing I've got is earrings. I love to make sets, so I think I have something to match that bracelet, and so I found these green hearts. I found these online with lots of other stones as well. They were meant to be pendants, I think, for a necklace, but you can repurpose jewelry and to suit your needs. So I thought I would turn this into earrings, and I found these ear wires online as well. I did a little shopping back in December online, and these are just some gold tone ear wires, and they're different than the ones I normally use. I use like the traditional ones, I guess fish hooks, I use those a lot, and then like the French hooks that I always get from Hobby Lobby. I thought these were different looking, so I thought I would try these. So I'm gonna get started. I'm going to cut off a piece of this wire. I think this is I'm gonna cut a bit extra because I'm not sure quite how long that's gonna be. So I figure better safe than sorry. So I'm gonna use these flush cutters because I still haven't purchased any memory wire cutters. So bear with me. I have to use what I can for now until I get back to Michael's or to an online store. So I'm gonna get a little extra. It's gonna wrap around maybe a little, but not much. Okay, cut the memory wire, and I'm gonna get my beads going. I hope everybody's doing good, and I hope everyone have plenty of chocolate for Valentine's Day. I call that holiday Chocolate Day. Let's take the beads off here. It's going to be a very straightforward bracelet, simple to make, and I just love those beads, so I thought it would be cute. I'm going to close an end here. And then I'm going to add my gold bead to begin. Just going to put a loop here at the end so that the beads don't fall off. Like that. Make sure it's closed well. A little while since I worked with memory wire, so this is going to be fun. And a couple of these gold beads. It has also been a while since I used those gold beads, so. Alright, there's our first bead there to kind of be the end of the bracelet, and we're going to start. Like I said, I really do like these colors. My favorite color is blue, but a close second is definitely green. I like blues and greens a lot. I like olive green, and then this is like what I see are highlights of forest green in there, kind of dark green. So definitely like it. And I'm glad to be using these beads. These are, I guess, like chipstones. Only they're large. They remind me of the chipstone beads they have a lot of times in the craft stores. Only they're a larger kind of the chipstone bead. I'm just alternating, you know, just adding the beads to the memory wire. My favorite beads, or beads I seem to make lots of jewelry with, are agate and jasper beads, and these are agate beads. So I think they're very pretty stones. Okay. Looking cute. That's gonna be a cute cuff bracelet. And I like the look of these chunkier beads too. I've made the smaller beaded bracelets before, but like the smaller chip beads, I really like the look of this chunky bead though. I might even make a stop at Michael's tomorrow. Does anybody know what's on sale this week at Michael's? I have not been there in a few weeks, so I'm not really sure. Okay, here's my loop. Voila. I like that. I really like the chunkiness there. Okay, see, it's not closed good, so that could easily come off. Okay, so this is what's happening so far. I've got a jump ring here, and I need to close that better actually. I've got jump ring on one end, and then the lobster claw aim. And so this is a chain to make the bracelet longer, to an extender. I hope everybody can see this. I have a tendency to bring the work closer to me instead of closer to the camera. Sorry for that. I'm trying to get better about that and make sure everybody can see everything. Okay, and then you would clamp it wherever you feel comfortable. Like that. Make it, you know, loose or very tight. So I guess you can even put it on like that. I probably shouldn't because I don't want to break it, but okay, that way you can definitely make it make this smaller, make this closer, kind of have it down on your wrist. Just depends on how you like to wear it. And so I'm gonna unclamp it now because I don't want to break it. Okay, this is how my bracelet turned out. So as you can see, I have added the lobster claw on one end and then the adjustable piece on the other end. And you could close it like that, and there's your bracelet. It won't fall off. You add that lobster claw. So I have one earring made here, and I'm going to show you how I did it. This is a stone. It's green, so it matches the bracelet and keeps it with the theme of using the green tones. And what I did was use some gold tone. It's a tarnish resistant gold wire. This really has held up over the past year. This is 22 gauge wire. It's from Beadsmith. And so I'm grabbing about 6 inches of wire, and I'm gonna have a messy wrap at the top. So I've got the wire in half there, and I'm gonna grab my chain nose plier and put it about here. Maybe a little bit lower. Don't want to have too much room, just enough to have some pretty wraps there. Okay, now I can start my wrapping. Just that chain nose plier there. Now it's better. Okay, now it's easier to wrap. And there will be time to snip off the ends and then tuck the ends. Yeah, that worked out well. Okay, so I'm gonna use my flush cutters and cut the end there. Now I'm going to tuck the ends with the chain nose plier. Make sure there are no ends that are sticking out. Okay, and then there's my little loop at the top where I'm going to put a jump ring. Jump ring. Okay, now I've closed it. Oh, don't want to close it, I forgot. I need my ear wire. I'm gonna make sure it's secure. Okay, here's my other earring. So I've got my set. I've got my messy wire green earrings. Those are very light, and I think they match so well with the green tones that are in the bracelet. So there we go. There's my set, and there's my project for February, and I can't wait for my next video. And I've actually even named my next video. It's gonna be called KISS, Keep It Simple Sis, because I'm gonna take it back to the basics. Basic, pretty earrings that are easy to make, yet so cute. So until my next video, thank you to all my subscribers. I'm thankful from the very beginning subscriber to the most recent subscriber. Thank you so much. Bye bye.